Today at American Business Machines, we'll be showing you how to make duplex documents in copy mode. First, you'll go into copy and you'll see the two-sided original option. There are 4 options in this mode. The first one is taking 2 single-sided documents, putting it in the feeder and producing a duplex document printed front and back. The other option we have is taking an original duplex document and keeping it a duplex. There's a dual head scanner on the Canon that scans both sides of that document, so it doesn't have to go through a secondary path. We also have the option of adding a book onto the glass. It will scan the entirety of the book and print page 1 and 2 on both front and back. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please reach out to us at any time.